A cheerful song to help kids learn colors through fun eggs. Perfect for Easter, springtime, or any time. Color eggs, rolling all day. Red and yellow, blue and gray. Spinning up, come sing along. Let's learn our colors with this eggy song. Red eggs dancing full of cheer, bouncing high from ear to ear. Look at me, I'm bright and bold. Red like fire, brave and gold. Blue egg spinning round and round like the sky or ocean. Sound so calm, so cool, it sings a tune. Blue like stars in the quiet moon. Color eggs, rolling all day. Pink and purple, green and gray. Spin and hop, come sing along. Let's learn our colors with this eggy song. Yellow egg is sunny and sweet, skips along with dancing feet like the sun up in the sky. Yellow makes us laugh and try. Green eggs hiding in the grass, rolling by so smooth and fast like the trees and froggy toes. Green is everywhere it goes. How many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and more to see. Hop like eggs, roll on the ground, wiggle to the color sound. Color eggs, what a crew. Orange, pink, and purple too. Shiny shells and happy play. Let's sing the egg song every day. TigiBoo, we love colors, yes sir!